Welcome, language lovers, to the ultimate learning Danish platform. It's like no other. Are you ready to elevate your Danish language skills and explore the beauty of Nordic communication with other learners? Introducing DanishTube's Essential Danish Membership. It's your passport to comprehensive and effective Danish language learning. It gives you unlimited access. You can dive into a treasure trove of Danish learning resources, all our video courses, interactive exercises, and eBooks at your fingertips. Video courses. Learn at your own pace and follow a carefully and expertly outlined learning path that will take you through the most essential Danish grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation points. Interactive learning. Engage with our exclusive Kahoot quizzes designed to make learning Danish a joyous experience. But that's not all. Test your skills and track your progress. Get instant feedback using interactive exercises so you can be sure you review and understand the video lesson content. We also have live sessions. You can join our weekly Q&A sessions and group classes. Have burning questions? Get them answered live. DanishTube is built upon and thrives on community. As a part of your membership, you can join a weekly group class, solidifying knowledge from the video course and ebooks, and also experiencing exclusive live Danish classes. Join other learners, practice, gain confidence, and start speaking Danish. The DanishTube experienced instructors are here to guide you, whether it be in class, on the platform, or via our private WhatsApp group. I'm super excited to welcome Ola onto the DT team and platform, another passionate and hugely talented Danish teacher who understands the challenges learners face when tackling Danish. All of this and more at a remarkably low monthly fee. Invest in your language journey without breaking the bank. What can be better? DanishTube continues to grow, and with you on board, the sky's the limit. So, are you ready to immerse yourself in the Danish language, culture, and this DanishTube community? Subscribe now to Essential DanishTube membership and unlock the linguistic doors to Denmark. Don't miss out. Click the subscribe button now and embark on a Danish adventure like never before. Your journey to Danish fluency starts here. DanishTube and the Essential DanishTube membership. Because mastering Danish is not just a journey, it's an experience.